Say hi, everybody. I don't know if you can hear little Noah snoring, but he snores like his Oma and his daddy. Oh, well, now he stopped. He heard me. Yep, he's a snorer. But I can't elbow him and tell him to roll over so that he stops. Like I can Daddy. But we just wanted to say hi. And we love you guys and we miss you. And someone just texted me. Bye, guys.